In our way.
Round and round and round they go.
Where they stop, nobody knows. Okay, this edge goes up first.
Oh yeah. You guys are going to be doing all kinds of cool stuff for us. If somebody put waffle. Oh man!
Got it? Where's our stick?
It's on that side because you have to be on.
Stop! You're gonna be laughing. We're gonna be plummeting. What? Oh, my way?
Yeah.
I'm hung up. I can't see what you're doing either.
Ooh, yeah.
You in there?
Something's holding it out.
Gotta go my way or something?
What in the world? Okay, figured it out.
There's a staple in the way.
Nope. There's a piece of wood in the way, and that's just what it's gonna be.
Maybe beat that thing in there a little bone. Okay, whatever. It'll maybe hold. Maybe. I'm gonna drill right out of range, of course.
I'm at a joint where I can't get
Oh, I
it.
can't go past it.
I think you can push it that way at the top a little.
It'll be alright. Only right finding the screws here. What in the better do this quick.
Yeah.
It keeps wanting to change its mode on me. Oh yeah. Don't worry about getting mud in that one.